One more drawer. Speed drawer this time. Lots of miscellaneous special shit in here. And clutch pullers, carburetor tuning tool, machine edge, just a flat edge for checking heads and shit. Spring tool, big custom one I made, long one I bought. Water pump pulley holding tool, secondary clutch tool, some 10-foot leads, seal puller, tire bars, cutter pin puller. Not remember if they called this, but just a pick. Ice pick. Bead buddy. Changing motorcycle tires. Pickle fork. Got roll pin punches, miscellaneous punches, spark plug puller, so you don't get electrocuted on small engines. Picks. Timing gear holder. Flywheel puller for the Yamaha engines. Valve spring removal tool. Battery terminal removal tool. Drum brake tool. Secondary clutch tool for sled. Disposable punches and random shit. A set of brass punches in here. What else? We got lady pry bar, lady heel. Big old brass punch. Some bearing race punches. That's it for that drawer. Thanks for tuning in, guys.